Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Pro VM, where amateurs come and challenge me, and they take my bowling balls because we're on a losing streak right now. I don't know if that's actually the case, but we have lost. We have given away some bowling balls, so congratulations to the winners, and this is how it's gonna go. I'm gonna be bowling a couple of my closest friends today, along with Miss I'm So Good.
Buy my shirt.
Anyways, one of them was my college roommate. His name is John Nakawaka Flame. He's from Hawaii, just like Jana. And then our other brother is Deepak Bro Shakur. Derek Perez. Anyways, we've all been pretty close for a long time since the college days, and there will be no shortage of smack talking in this episode. So since they are my pals and I give them bowling balls anyways, we are going to bet exercise. If they win, I will do 100 push-ups because I'm not going to make Jana do any of them. And if we win, they're going to have to share the 100. And the loser's going to be doing push-ups during the outro. Enjoy the video. Hopefully they can talk smack as good as me because I'm so good, she's so good, and we are going to hopefully crush them. I said hopefully because I was really confident in the last video and I still know 9 to lose. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Are we bowling Baker or Scotch?
Baker? Let's do Baker.
Baker? You're gonna have to shoot your own spares, babe. Do you want to bowl Scotch?
I know Derek wants to bowl Baker because he keeps saying Baker. So let's just bowl Baker.
All right, Baker's gonna be alternate frames. Everyone's gonna bowl their own frames. We each get 5 frames. One of us will bowl the odd frames and the other will bowl the even frames. Also, endless 10th frame. If we strike in the fill shot for every additional strike afterwards, you get 10 points. If you get anything less than 10, it's nothing.
You want 10th frame?
Sure. Jana first? Jana second.
I don't want to finish last.
All right, fine.
All right, fine. My phone's right here.
Uh-oh.
Do something cool.
Yeah, that ball don't hook. She's gassing out real hard.
It's all right. We're good. I believe in him.
Oh, hook!
Does that mean I suck?
Nice spare. Yeah, John and I shared a room in college.
He did?
Starting our sophomore year when we got an apartment.
Did you used to bowl with him? Like back in the day?
Back in the day.
Back in the
Juniors?
day, like
Super back in the
juniors. Oh!
Damn.
Oh!
Damn.
Oh!
I'm so good.
Wait, it's too early for that. It's not a clutch moment. Let's go. Nice shot.
Right,
nice
dude.
shot. Read the lane. We used to bowl juniors together when like I was little. I was like 10.
Little pit squeaks.
And you were, how old are you now?
Shoot.
You're old.
What am I?
You were like
how old
18
am I
or
now?
something. What are you, like 45 now?
I'm like 52.
50.
Anyways, we bowled juniors a long time
Can you
ago.
tell?
He took about a 10-year hiatus, and then he came back while we were in college, hit us up. He's like, hey man, saw you're doing pretty well out on the tour and stuff.
I
Wonder
didn't
if
say
can
it
get some
like
lessons.
that. Oh my God.
And he came and hung out with us in San
Get your
Jose
facts straight.
like every day. Now we're tight. Now we're like brothers.
We're buddies.
Then we're buddies. His name in my phone is literally Bro. It's just B-R-O. Oh, help.
Nice.
How'd that hit the pocket?
I have no idea.
I wonder who drilled that ball.
I wonder who drilled it too. Oh, thanks for drilling that ball. Appreciate you.
You're welcome.
I appreciate you.
Yeah, I gave him a ball literally before we bowled this video.
Got something on your ass, bro.
Oh, I do? Oh, thank you. See, that's what bros do.
Hey.
Yeah, baby.
Well, you guys gotta start throwing some strikes if you want to win this. Because Jana is so good. You guys should go buy her shirt.
Bro, we're just building up the suspense. We don't want to give you all the strikes immediately.
Oh, he's bowling one-handed.
Oh.
No. I'm bowling two-handed. I wonder who drilled that ball. I actually didn't drill that ball. Oh!
Oh, baby.
I got new thumbs. That my pitches are different now, so.
Oh, that's why.
No, I just have early timing. Yes, let's go. 1-pin lead. The only person that struck is wearing a shirt that exudes maximum confidence.
Yeah. Instant strikes if you buy the shirt. It's guaranteed.
I'm gonna buy it too.
Two over there. Maybe. How many
good.
times can we get 9? Are we gonna get 9 more than we get X?
It's all good.
It was the best of times, it was the worst of times. Oh no!
Come on, baby.
It was the worst of times.
It's all good. It was the best of times. It was the worst.
We're all bowling nationals in a week. We're all nice and sharp, ready to go.
Absolutely.
It's all good.
All right, babe, you got this.
Uh,
Guys, let us know if you like the IQ tour in the comment section down below. Because my boy here brought 5 IQs and a natural pearl to nationals one year. That was 4 and 1.
oh.
To college nationals, yes.
Oh no, that's 5.
Jokes.
You got this.
No.
My fingers hurt. I'm gonna use this ball. Oh.
He said this is very
Back up.
choppable. Oh no.
All right.
Oh,
It's the best count possible without getting to spare.
hold on.
Now your boy's in the doghouse.
Just don't say anything if I miss a
He
spare.
just slapped it out because you missed.
No, what? No.
I think he needs a re-rack.
I think he needs a bigger shirt.
drilled it.
I need a bigger shirt, bro.
Who drilled that ball?
My buddy drilled it.
Yeah, I am, buddy. Oh, that wasn't very good.
boy.
Took a lot.
Oh no, come back.
That's why you bowl two-handed, brother.
Wow.
3-pin match.
Oh man, let's go.
I can't tell if it's good or not because it's so slow. All right, baby, you got this.
Why do I keep doing that? I'm not
Okay.
aiming there, but it keeps going there.
Everybody.
Oh no.
So don't say anything. Make adjustments. Live and learn. I got you.
Shut up.
It's not my
You
turn.
keep saying stuff when I miss it.
Lord.
I'm locked in the dog mansion.
Now it has to strike.
Oh, help! No! It's all right.
His ball's just doing the right thing. So if you guys get the endless 10 frame, you gotta take turns. If I get the endless 10 frame, because she has to go to
here?
work, it's just me. Oh, he threw it straight with a maniac.
Oh.
He almost missed them all.
Wait, what? All right, okay.
Wait, what?
To be honest, I didn't see the sleeper pin. Actually, I would have thrown it straight at the 2-8 anyway.
Really?
I would have. But hey, no,
Go.
we're keeping it close.
Oh,
Yeah,
he's doing
let's
what
go.
I'm doing.
We're keeping it close.
I
No
can
one
throw
wants
it to
see a
2, I
blowout.
can throw it to 12.
My two-handed drill. Come on, baby, hold me up.
To the hook?
Let's go. Hold me
To the
up.
windows, to the wall. That shot's got a 7-10 at some point.
At some point.
That's got a chance.
That's
I'm
pretty
gonna
good.
die.
Yes!
Hey.
Okay, bro, I got you.
We're right back, baby.
We like to keep it interesting too.
I too like to keep it interesting by making it really bad. Look at this guy with a good ball
Do something
reaction.
fun.
Wow. Good
There
for
you
you.
Good shot.
Good for you. You got a bowling ball that fits in your arsenal.
Thank you, Darren.
Go. Go. Oh no! God, I hit that one so hard.
Whoa.
All right, I'm going back one-handed. I know I can hit the pocket every time.
Wow.
Just like a true professional.
Look at that tilty, rolly, spinny.
Oh yeah.
It's got a chance. Lay there.
Oh,
One more? One more!
No.
The pins made me angry.
I'd rather have the 2 than the 1. It looks farther to the left than usual.
Oh no.
Does it not?
No.
It does a little bit.
Yes!
Nice.
I can outstrike Derek.
Yeah, you can.
All right, Derek, let's go, baby.
Yeah!
Oh. Oh. All right, on spare.
Ooh! You gotta strike him. You gotta get the spare first.
I got faith in my man, Darren. He's been training his whole life for this.
He's actually done pretty good. He's done it good.
See, my boy believes in me.
Man, you stand pretty far to the right for your 10 pins.
You're standing on the wrong side.
Oh yeah, he's still.
Ace, baby, let's go.
You need them all. Ooh, he's trapped on that one.
Oh, we're in it, baby.
Oh, induce the 10th frame of endlessness. The game go like this. He's got to strike, he gets 10. He doesn't strike, they stay at 202.
All right, milk this poor ball reaction as long as I can.
Okay, the stars are aligned in our favor.
The stars
so-
are aligned.
Pacific Pipe Oakland. Boom!
That almost 5-7, but I'll take it.
What did I say about the stars aligning in our favor or something like that? Did I just say that right before he shot the ball?
This is the poorest ball reaction ever.
You got to throw so many shots.
Strike?
All right, 212.
All right.
212,
Okay.
212. 212. I need, what, a 6-bagger?
You know, I've trusted Darren all my life, but that was one-handed. I don't know about his two-handed.
But,
He stuck his thumb in it.
but,
Oh, when he needs it,
It's okay.
he sticks his thumb in.
All right, bowling 2.
close, babe.
I just got 7 through the middle. I may not be at my sharpest, but we can make a shot. Took a
Oh,
lot.
extra strap. Oh, that's the no diff.
No, that's just me getting to here and doing that.
Oh,
No!
Oh no.
well,
GG's.
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 You guys close it out.
My guy. My guy.
Darren lost once again. Thanks y'all for watching. Please like, subscribe. Darren's doing his push-ups. Peace.
If you don't like and subscribe, I don't know what's wrong with you. It's free. What do you have to lose?
Just close it out so I can quit these push-ups.
Oh, yeah. He's got to do
Cut.
100 push-ups.
Cut!